everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Huake Machinery Equipment Company. It's a professional manufacturer of scrap metal baler, scrap metal shearing machine, and metal shearer machine with more than 20 years production experience. Now let's visit our raw material assembling warehouse. We can see here is our workshop. Our company is highly specialized in manufacturing scrap metal processing equipment. First, we are going to visit primary production workshop, which is equipped with drawing machines, CNC cutting machines, various lathes and sewing machines. Behind of me, this is our automatic submerged egg welding machine. On my right side, these are our semi-finished products, and this side is our raw materials. On my left side is our cutting machine. Our workers skillfully cut and assemble hundreds of steel sketch-on parts according to the drawings, so as to be used by the assembling workshop. After the machine is assembled, our engineers will conduct multiple adjustments to allow the machine to work in different situations to test its durability and stability. Here is our finished product. We can see this huge machine is our final finished product. It is customized by our Indian customer. The machine is quite big in size and very tall in production rate. It is widely applied in steel mills, recycling plants, ferrous and non-ferrous smelting industry to press scrap metal, steel, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, discarded automobiles, and so on.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.